National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Brevard County in east central Florida, southeastern Orange County in east central Florida, northeastern Osceola County in east central Florida, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Harmony, or near Holapa, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Titusville, Rockledge, Cocoa Beach, and Merritt Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until...
What?
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Brevard County in east central Florida, southeastern Volusia County in east central Florida, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Maytown, or near Oak Hill, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Deltona, Daytona Beach, Port Orange, Titusville, and DeLand. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m.
Jesus, that's a lot. I'm very sure amount of time.